Are you tired of hearing your Bio-Rad Experion priming station song when it's finished its job? Well, here's a way to spice up your lab by changing its ringtone. First, simultaneously press the time and pressure buttons. Then press the time button until the display reads 4. Now, each time you press the pressure button, the priming station will preview each of its 8 different ringtones. First is the boring one that you're used to, then a snappy rendition of Shave and a Haircut. After that, it's a South of the Border melody, La Cucaracha. For sports fans, there's Take Me Out to the Ball Game. For St. Patrick's Day, there's the Irish Washerwoman. Then for Jack in the Box favorite, Pop Goes the Weedle. And finally, for Judy Garland fans, it's Over the Rainbow. After the priming station has played your choice, simultaneously press time and pressure to return the priming station to normal operation. This ringtone will remain in use until the priming station is powered off. Thanks for choosing Bio-Rad's Experion.